No, 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 no. Enzo, sit down. Enzo, sit. Enzo is good boy. You see? Enzo don't bark. You bark so much. You're very noisy. Enzo don't like. Enzo not happy anymore. Enzo cannot sleep. See? What about? Tell Paggy, don't shout too much. Enzo headache ready la. Huh? Who is that? You see, Enzo got people come in the house. He just say hello. Hello. See? Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Baba, sit down. Enzo sit down, but this one, he don't like to sit. And he like to bite everyone. No. Eh. Shh. You make Enzo tired la. Enzo, you want to go inside, baby? Want to sleep? Enzo cannot sleep. Because Paggy have a lot energy. Lay down, baby. Okay. That's why we cannot let go of this one. We need to hold because Kuya Enzo need to rest. Who is naughty? Who is naughty? Kaya kailangang bantayan ang mga ito.